Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of She Raised a Crazy Beauty, chapter 38. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Princess Baiman. Right now, she was talking to her mother. Why is it so noisy? When she go back, she got curious that there's a commotion outside. The place suddenly became noisy. Mother, it's messy outside. Princess Baiman told her mother, please drink tea for a while and then leave. Well, what's the reason why suddenly her mothers came here? So, your cousin's business. How are you going to support it? Now, her mother is questioning her. What about her cousins? Right now, Mrs. Byman, it seems that she is not in the mood. Mother thinks, how should the daughter support it? There are only 3 months left from the palace. My family rejected my request for help and instead sent my cousins to the Nine Kings, Mosea, to support the whole family. It is clearly to treat me as an abandoned son. You just don't want to support. Mother, right now, she is panicking. What is the reason why suddenly her mother is going after her? Why should I support others if my grandfather is still there? He will definitely choose me. After all, I am the ninth princess. Princess Baiman told her mother, right now, Bai's currently family will only bring the entire family drag into the death office. Well, Princess Baiman was right. It's too short. Only 3 months, and the things will happen. What are you talking about? Her mother is getting crazy. You are a female streamer, can only do to give birth to the son of the Nine Kings as soon as possible. So it turns out she want to force her to have a son with the Nine Kings. Nine Kings ascends Davao, fool your sisters into the palace and serve the Nine Kings together. To be that, you have to imitate Xiaorong, who is neither male or female. Mother, the Nine Prince and I have never slept together. Nine Prince doesn't believe me. Or does he believe the Vice family? That's why you're silly. Actually let commoner Rostef on you. Been taught you for so long. Now, they're all in vain. Looking at your father's concubine, with one dares to go beyond me. You're the legal wife as long as you give birth to the legitimate son. You will have someone to rely on you for the rest of your life. As the Pai family still plays their hopes on the Nine Prince. The birds are exhausted. The good bow is hidden at the time. You are killing the Bai family. Baiman said to her mother, this is not something you should consider. You've been married for the Nine Kings by the Emperor. Don't dream anymore. You have been abolished. Now all you can count on is your cousin. The only thing you have to do is to have a pair with Zhuang as soon as possible. Mother, in my previous life I was abolished and imprisoned in the Deep Palace. My family has not been exhausted but still makes no statement about right now. Baiman is trying to explain her mother, but her mother seems to be wrong. Bai family gave up on me. She's been abandoned by her own family, and right now her mother is like begging for her to support her cousins for the Nine Kings. Well, definitely it was bad. After I fell off the paper, the Bai family thought the reasons for my attendance. Later, the Bai family came out. What happened to the girls were also missing. So my mother do it for me. What's the matter? Oh, Baiman. She told her mother, but her mother seems to be wrong. Of course, she will insisting own reason for the Bai family. Bai family is a century-old family and my mother is a competent mistress. But for the mother, is there only Bai family? You don't care about your daughter's hearts. Even though she's trying to explain to her, her mother is really persistent. What are you talking about? I'm also helpless. You're not an ordinary woman. You are the daughter of aristocratic family only when the Bai family is good. Mother is also planning for you. What's wrong with giving up birth to son-in-law as soon as possible? You say that it's just a flesh in your mother's heart. Yes, I'm the daughter of the family and marriage is just a bargaining chip. And I'm just a piece of chess. Even less important, the big shift is to Bai family has to use generations, sacrifice marriage, beat both for 100 years. But the mother weathered the loophole of the bottom of the both pills, flesh and blood of sisters, and there's even a flesh of bloods. Full of nonsense, who doesn't come? Mother is also planning for you. Still, her mother is persistent. What do you like? Is love happiness? Something only a bad woman who does not keep chastity and to think about it. It's all your grandfather. One knot is the coding after the house and the management of the family is in and out. Only when you are concubines hook in can you love those piano. Yes, and moreover, can think about being happy or not. Only hate that I listened to your grandfather's nonsense back then, took you to study and asked you to receive so many deviant educations. Now, her mother telling her what she does for her back then. What kind of piano, chess, poetry, and books make you restless woman? You can only do all over again. You would say that you fear such a terrible word. Do you want to seize power with the men of the Shao family, like the Shaorong of the Shao family, endure the customs and take over the big world to be? And I'm willing to give up. Now, it was Shaorong's, and she was thinking about Baiman. Of course, right now, she's been held, but what can she do about Baiman? Can she really save her in the future? So their fate destiny really changed this time. I almost forgot that the man who took the words in the Baiman's mother's. So right now she remembered Baiman's mother is a little bit crazy, right? She always want to push her on her limits. Now that he breaks in, maybe the Baiman will be reprimanded more seriously. Well, Sharon was right. She knows right now that Baiman is really getting scolded by her own mother. Yes, stop mumbling, you should have been easier. Baiman says that you're different from me. My mother will agree with you, will rebuke me. Now, General Sharon was thinking about what will Baiman's mother's going to tell Baiman. Mother, man, unlike Sharon. Well, definitely Sharon. She must be have a plan. Say Princess Baiman in the future whether she going to help her or gave her her own military power. Yes, that's it. So right now, she was really into it. She going to save her for the future. Well, definitely, she is. Cunning is far less than Shaorong. Shaorong is the Emperor's personal general, still, and he is the majestic. The mother thinks that the custom is the same as General Shao. Like that, Baiman, as of now, she was still talking about her mother, the same person as Shaorong. I won't be ashamed of this. The contrary, if I can be on the same path of General Shaorong, that would be a glorious thing. Oh, she was still insisting. You all feel that Shaorong is fault tolerant. It's the opposites. It's really on the opposites. Three principles and five constraints. How dare you to say that? I see the rules should be changed. When it's just me, I want to stand with her too. Well, definitely, she will choose her, right? Well, let's see on what will happen next week since the story is getting better. Thank you for rejoining today, Red Rook and P Manic. Thank you for joining membership. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!